38th August 2020, Madhuban Avyakt Babdada, Om Shanti, revised 13th March 1986. The authority of experience is the basis of easy transformation. Today, Babdada is seeing all of his children who are images of support and images of upliftment. Each one of you children is an image of support who makes the world of today elevated and complete. Today, the world is calling out to the elevated souls who are the images of support in various forms and ways. It is you elevated souls who give all the unhappy, peaceless souls support, who give a drop to others, who show the path of happiness and peace to others, who give the divine eye to those who are without the eye of knowledge, who show the destination to wandering souls, who give the experience of attainment to souls who lack attainment and uplift them. There is one type of upheaval or other everywhere in the world. In some places, there is upheaval over wealth. In some places, there are many types of tension in people's mind. In some cases, there is upheaval because they are discontent with their lives. In some cases, there is upheaval because of the tamapradhan atmosphere of the element. Everywhere the world is in upheaval at such a time. In a corner of the world, you are the stable and unshakable souls. The world is in fear, whereas you have become fearless and are constantly singing and dancing in happiness, even when the world adopts temporary facilities to sing and dance in happiness. Those temporary facilities are in fact taking them further into the pyre of worry. Such souls of the world need the support of the experience of elevated imperishable attainments. They have seen all supports, they have experienced everything, and the sound emerging from everyone against their conscious wish is we want something other than this. Those facilities and methods are not going to give them any experience of success. The sound in everyone's mind is we want something new, we want something else. All the temporary supports that have been created are like a straw. They are looking for a real support. Having seen all temporary supports, attainments, and methods, they are tired of them. Now, who will show such souls the right support, the real support, the imperishable support? It is all of you. Is it not? Compared with the world, there are only a few of you. You are the few. However, in the memorial of the previous cycle, they have still shown the 5 Pandavas in front of the unlimited army. The greatest authority of all is yours. Those with the authority of science, the authority of the scriptures, the authority of political leadership, the authority of religion, and many other authorities have already tried to transform the world on the basis of their authority. They have tried so many things. However, what authority do all of you have? The greatest authority is the experience of God. With the authority of this experience, you can easily bring about elevated transformation in anyone. So, all of you have the special authority of this experience, and this is why you say and will continue to say with pride, with certainty, with intoxication, and with a guarantee there is only one easy and right path. It can be attained from the one alone and it unites everyone. You give this message to everyone, do you not? This is why today Babdada is looking at the children who are embodiment of support and upliftment for the world. Look who have become instrument with Babdada. They are the supports of the world. But who have become those? Those who are ordinary. Those who are in the world's vision are not in the Father's vision, whereas those who are in the Father's vision are not in the vision of the people of the world. Seeing you, they first smile and say, "Can these be the ones?" However, the Father does not do what the people of the world do. They want the famous, whereas the Father wants to glorify the name of those whose name and trace have been obliterated. He has to make the impossible possible. He has to make ordinary ones great. He has to make weak ones very powerful. He has to make those who, in worldly terms, are uneducated, knowledgeful. This is in the Father's part. This is why, seeing the gathering of you children, Babdada also smiles, because it is you, long lost and now found children, who have become instrument to enable everyone to attain the most elevated fortune. The vision of people of the world is also now moving away from all other directions and coming towards the one. They now understand that what they have been unable to do, the Father is making happen in an incognito way. What did you see in the Kumbh Mela just recently? That was what you saw, was it not? You saw how everyone was looking at you with such loving vision. This gradually has to be revealed. Religious leaders, political leaders, and scientists are the three special authorities. All three are now coming closer in the elevated hope of having a glimpse of God in an ordinary form. They are still now looking through a well. This well has not been lifted. Because of looking through a well, they are still confused. There is the well of confusion of, are they the one, or are there others somewhere else? Nevertheless, at least their vision has been drawn. The well is now to be removed. There are many types of well. One is their leadership, the well of their throne or their seat is also a big well. It will still take time for them to come from behind their well, but they have at least opened their eyes. The Kumbhakarna have now awakened a little. Babdada will definitely enable all souls of the world, that is, all his children, to have a right to their father's inheritance, no matter what they are like. They are still children. So, it is liberation or liberation in life. Both forms of inheritance are available to the children. The father has come to give the inheritance. They do not know that, and it is not their fault. And so, all of you also feel merciful towards them. Do you not? You feel merciful and also enthusiastic that no matter how, all souls should claim their right to their inheritance. Acha, today it is the turn of Caribbean. All are extremely loved by Babdada. The individual speciality of each place is always in front of Babdada. In fact, Babdada always has the full chart of every child. However, seeing all the children, what is it that Babdada is particularly pleased about? That all the children are constantly busy doing service according to their own capacity. Doing service has become the special occupation of Brahmin life. Without doing service, this Brahmin life seems empty. If there isn't service to do, you feel as though you have nothing to do. Babdada is especially pleased to see your enthusiasm to keep busy doing service. What is the speciality of Caribbean? They are the ones who always remain close, means Karib. Babdada is not looking at it in physical terms. Physically, you may be very far away, but you are close with your minds. Are you not? The further away you live physically, accordingly, You receive a lift of especially experiencing the Father's company, because the Father's vision always remain on all the children everywhere. They remain merged in His eyes. So what would those who remain merged in the eyes be? Would they be far away or close? So all of you are jewels who remain close. None of you are far away. You are both near and dear. If you were not near, you couldn't have had zeal and enthusiasm. The Father's company is making you constantly powerful and moving you forward. Everyone is very happy to see all of you, because you are making service grow with so much courage. Babdada knows that you all have just the one thought: we have to prepare the biggest rosary of all. We have to gather all those beads of the rosary that have been scattered everywhere and make a rosary and present it to the Father. Throughout the whole year, you have had the enthusiasm that you have to bring this bouquet or a rosary in front of the Father. So, for one whole year, you make full preparations for this year. Babdada is saying that the result of the growth of the centers abroad has been good. Whether it is a small bouquet or a big bouquet, each one has brought one in a practical form. So Babdada is also pleased to see his loving children of the previous cycle. You have made effort with love. Effort made with a love does not feel like effort. So a good group has come from all over. The thing that Babdada likes best is that all of you are always tireless in doing service and continue to move forward. The speciality of your success in service is that you never get disheartened. Today there are few, whereas tomorrow there will definitely more, that is guaranteed. Therefore, wherever they receive the Father's introduction and wherever the Father's child have become instrument, there are definitely the Father's children hidden there, and they will come here to claim their right according to the time. They will continue to come here. So all of you are those who dance in happiness. You always remain happy. The Father is eternal, the children are eternal, and the attainment is eternal. Your happiness is also eternal. You are those who always remain happy, the best of the best. When the West is destroyed, only the best remain. To belong to Baba means constantly to have a right to imperishable treasures. So a life where you have the right is the best life. The foundation of service in the Caribbean has been led through very special souls. The foundation of serving the government was in Guyana, was it not? To spread the sound of the speciality of Raj Yoga to the government is also a speciality. The government has also continued to make effort to have 3 minutes of silence. The chance to come close to the government started there, and a good result has been achieved, and it is still emerging. In the course of the service they have done, the Caribbean has also prepared special VIPs, and through one of those many others are being served. Therefore, that too is a speciality. The official invitation you received was from a VIP, and so the Caribbean was the instrument to do that first. Today, you have become examples everywhere and are engaged in the service of giving enthusiasm and inspiration to many others. So, everyone will receive the fruit of this, will they not? Even now you are still in connection with the government. This is also a method with which to come into close connection with the method of having a slight connection through knowledge. You can give them an experience of your being especially unique in the service you do. In any meeting, whenever you become an instrument for service, even in worldly situations, speak your words in such a way that they experience something unique and loving. Therefore, that is also a chance for you to show your uniqueness and how loving you are whilst you are with them. So pay a little more attention to this method and you can make this an elevator method of doing service. Those from Guyana have received this chance. You won a lottery for the chance to serve from the beginning. All the places have expanded very well. Now bring about one more speciality. Now prepare some of the well-known pundits of that place. There are many pundits in Trinidad and Guyana. They have come closer. They believe in the philosophy of Bharat. So now prepare a group of Pandit just as a group of holy men is being prepared in Haridwar. In the same way, prepare a group of Pandit from there with love. You can make them belong to you. First of all, bring them close with love in Haridwar. That too was the result of love. Love enables them to reach Madhuban. If they come as far as Madhuban, they will also come as far as accepting knowledge. Where else would they go? So now demonstrate this. Acha, what will Europe do? In numbers, you are not small. No matter what the numbers are, if the quality is good, then you are number one. You can bring those whom no one else has brought. It is not a big thing. When you have courage, the Father helps. When you children have a courage, you receive help from the whole family and Babdada. This is why it is not a big thing. You can do whatever you want. Eventually, everyone has to come to the one place. Some have to come now and others have to come a later. They have to come no matter how happy they are. They still have a desire to attain something or other, even if they are not distressed because the atmosphere is okay. Their temporary desires cannot be fulfilled until they have a knowledge. One desire after another will continue to arise, and desires do not give the experience of being constantly content. Those who are not unhappy still do not experience selfless love for God, a loving life, soul conscious love, or God's love. No matter how much love they have, there cannot be selfless love anywhere else. They don't have real love, so everyone wants true love from the heart and love of the family. Can you find a family like this anywhere else? So, whatever attainment they experience to be lacking, explain to them about the attraction of that particular attainment. Acha, all of you are special souls. If you didn't have some speciality, you could not have become a Brahmin soul. It is your speciality that has enabled you to receive a Brahmin life. The greatest speciality of all is that you are a handful out of multi-millions. So each one of you has your own speciality throughout the whole day. You have love for just the Father and for doing a service. A worldly job has to be done for the sake of it, but let there be love in your heart for having remembrance and for doing a service. Acha, spiritual father says namaste and good morning to the spiritual children, and spiritual children says namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Blessing. May you be loving and detached and remain beyond by constantly having the awareness of your original land and your original form. Explanation. Having the awareness of the incorporeal world and your incorporeal form always makes you detached and loving. We are resident of the incorporeal world and have incarnated here for the sake of serving. We do not belong to the mortal world but are just incarnations. If you simply remember this small thing, you can go beyond. Those who do not consider themselves to be incarnations but householders have their vehicles stuck in the mud. A householder means the stage of burden, whereas incarnation is completely light. By considering yourself to be an incarnation, you will remember your original land and your original form and will go beyond. Slogan: a Brahmin is a one who performs every task with cleanliness and in the right way. Om Shanti.